to show you how to use your prescribed medication and device. Before beginning, you always want to read and follow the instructions on your prescription label provided by your doctor. When handling any medication, you always want to wash your hands with soap and water or wear disposable gloves if desired. This is the Topi-CLICK device, and this is its applicator. On the bottom of the Topi-CLICK device, there are arrows and the word "turn slowly." The arrows indicate the direction where you should turn your Topi-CLICK device. With each turn, you will hear a click, which delivers 0.25 milliliters of medication. Now on the back of your Topi-CLICK device, you will see the word refill. The bottom of the plunger is the indicating line. When the indicator is below the word refill, approximately 32 clicks are left. When it reaches the top of the word refill, approximately 12 clicks remain. So first, you want to open the lid of your Topi-CLICK device. Next, you want to put the applicator on top gently, and you should hear a click. This is how you attach your applicator onto your Topi-CLICK device. If you listen carefully, you should hear a click. Next, you want to turn the base of your Topi-CLICK to as many clicks that you have been prescribed. For today, I will be showing you 2 clicks. So now you have the prescribed amount of cream in your applicator. Next, you want to gently detach your applicator from the top of your Topi-CLICK device and close the lid. So now that you have the prescribed amount of cream within your applicator, you want to position yourself in a comfortable position. You want to lie on your back with your knees towards your body, bent, or you can have your feet slightly apart with your knees bent as well. Next, you want to insert the applicator as far as it can go within the vagina comfortably. Next, you want to push the plunger, releasing all of the cream. Once all of the cream has been released into the vagina, you want to gently pull out the applicator. Now that you have finished administering your cream, you want to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. You also want to clean your applicator with soap and water as well to avoid any contamination. Thank you for choosing Care First Specialty Pharmacy. Great care begins with us.